Experian is a leading credit reporting agency that plays a crucial role in determining an individual's creditworthiness. To understand how Experian is used, it is essential to know what it does. Experian collects and analyzes data from various sources, including banks, creditors, and public records, to create a comprehensive credit report for each individual. The credit report contains information such as payment history, credit accounts, and credit inquiries. This information is then used to calculate a credit score, which is a three-digit number that ranges from 300 to 850. The credit score is used by lenders to determine the likelihood of an individual repaying a loan or credit. To use Experian, individuals can visit their website and create an account. They can then access their credit report and score, and monitor their credit activity. Experian also offers various tools and services, such as credit monitoring and identity theft protection. One of the primary ways Experian is used is by lenders to evaluate credit applications. When an individual applies for a loan or credit, the lender will typically check their credit report and score to determine their creditworthiness. A good credit score can result in better loan terms and lower interest rates, while a poor credit score can lead to higher interest rates or even loan rejection. Individuals can also use Experian to monitor their credit report and score, and to detect any errors or inaccuracies. This is important because errors on a credit report can negatively affect an individual's credit score and overall creditworthiness. By regularly monitoring their credit report and score, individuals can ensure that their credit information is accurate and up to date. In addition to monitoring credit reports and scores, Experian also offers various educational resources and tools to help individuals improve their credit. These resources include credit score simulators, credit monitoring alerts, and personalized credit advice. By using these resources, individuals can gain a better understanding of their credit and take steps to improve it. Overall, Experian plays a vital role in the credit industry, providing individuals and lenders with the information they need to make informed credit decisions. By understanding how Experian is used, individuals can take control of their credit and make informed decisions about their financial future.